Elan, take one. Let's do this. Alright, Kaylee, hold the camera. A red face. So
That's the girl in the blue. What's that's the blue thing?
Now move that red.
No, it's my turn. I am the red.
You shoot.
I got a yellow card.
Wait. I want to show him the Girl Scout. Oh, that's the scariest thing I've seen all day. Oh, beautiful. Can I eat you? Oh, I hate candy canes. Mr. Licorice. He's good to good. They're both blind, but they're dumb. Alright, now we're.
I got a yellow one. That's a red dude. See?
I'm still in front of you.
Yellow. Please.
And I move to the orange spaces. Here's one orange.
These are the ones you already did.
There's one orange.
These are the ones you already did.
And here's another orange.
Okay.
I'm keeping them.
Sorry about that.
Got a little fight.
Here's this.
So I moved two orange spaces, as you see on my card. So I moved. Okay. Your turn, kid.
I got a yellow square. See?
And let's move, Kaylee.
Okay. Whee! Woo!
Show off.
Two on you.
Alright, it's my turn now. I draw, another yellow. Look at that. That's all we have. Don't use that as an example. Okay, thank you.
As you can tell, I got two. This is dumb. This is two greens. One green. Two green. Oh, pull on you. You're still in front.
I've always had feelings for you, Jay.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Hey, let's throw these cards to the side and have a fun time in the Candyland Kingdom. Nice to have you! Oh, come on. Oh, well, welcome back to the kingdom, Jewel. Hi. Wait, where's Raspberry? Raspberry! Blueberry, get up! Sorry. Are you guys okay? Yeah, we're best friends. We're sisters.
We're not Dumbo.
Ow!
You're a boy.
Oh, shut up.
You're not a girl.
Queen Frostine is ready to say, I'm Cream C. Ice cream is my population. Move it! They not to say the beautifulness. Shut up. I've always had feelings for you.
I didn't know.
Oh. I still love you.
Yes.
Hey, Gumdrop Pass is only available for Fat Lady Passes. What kind of Fat Lady Pass? Find it in your Fat Lady Pass gift card. Okay. Mr. Mint at your service. Red and white, red and white, red and white is my favorite colors. Red and white, red and white. He's still freaky. Plumpy here is a grumpy guy. Stay away from my raspberries. That's funny. Oh, but look, the two blondes are still dumb. Okay, where we live.
Bye. Thank you for the admission. Bye.
Wait, I can't do peace, but here.